Hi and welcome to my new YouTube video. Today we will be making a gnome. Yeah, you see those in fairy tales a lot, so I wanted to make my own. And I start off with his nose in a tan color and 2 round circles that will be his cheeks. Now underneath his cheeks and his nose there will be a big fluffy beard, so I'll make that white, and the top of his face of course will be tan. And here goes the white beard. Well, okay, maybe it's not that fluffy, but it's white. Okay, and then we have his head. I used the light blue, you can use any color you want, but because I'll be making some mushrooms next to it, I won't be making the head red, because the mushrooms are already red and I didn't want both of them to be. So I start off with a blue head. And here are the red mushrooms. It's not really difficult, it's just red with white dots. It's just a quick design. I use the stems of the mushroom, I use white. Maybe I should have made them a bit higher, but okay, sorry. Or a bit bigger, that's possible as well. But now it's a garden gnome. Does any of you have a garden gnome? I don't. I use black to outline. I should get a garden gnome. Oh, that's so fun. Okay. I use black to outline. Outline. Oh, English, difficult language. I'm sorry, I was having a lot of problems with my allergies, so I had a runny nose. Normally this design would take me about 5 minutes, 6 minutes tops, but it took me 15 because I kept blowing my nose because of my allergies. You know, happens. I didn't look at it while painting, but now when I look back and doing this voiceover, my gnome looks angry. Oh my god. Okay, I need to do some. Okay, I can change it. Change the shape of the eyes for the next time if you wanted to make a cute gnome. I just make him angry. See? He's a bit angry. Who would have ever thought that? Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch different videos and subscribe, please. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!